Hey, it's Blair Lawrence for Blair's Cooking with Koala First. Today I'm talking about Epicurial French chocolate walnuts. These chocolate walnuts are rich, chocolatey, decadent, and just kind of very adult. It's not necessarily the treat that you'd want to give to a child because you kind of want them for yourself because they're so good. And they're not covered in a really sweet chocolate. It's kind of more like a dark, rich, bittersweet chocolate that is it just pairs so nicely with walnuts. Now it comes in this 20 gram container here, and this is just cardboard, and this just pulls out a little gold wrapper, a little bit nostalgic, and there's 3 walnuts in every single little package here. And the walnuts are definitely quite large. Here's one here. So it's a French walnut half, and it's coated in a dark bittersweet chocolate and then dusted with a cocoa powder. So they are quite large. I love how kind of like earthy they almost look because they're a little bit like lumpy like a walnut is. And here's one that's been cut open, so you can actually see the walnut inside and then where it's been coated in chocolate. So it's actually quite a bit of chocolate, but not overly chocolatey. It's not overly decadent where you need almost like a glass of milk with it. It's just perfect. It's amazing. And then coated in a light dusting of cocoa powder. Now I like serving these if I've served a really heavy entree, a heavy meal to my guests, and I don't want to fill them up more with a really heavy dessert. So I always serve tea or coffee and just put a couple of these alongside their tea or coffee cup, and it just gives a little great kick of sweetness that kind of substitutes for a dessert, and it leaves them feeling like, okay, I've had a dessert but it wasn't too heavy. You don't want them leaving the table feeling like, oh, I'm so full. And this is the perfect, really adult, decadent way of doing it. You're gonna love them. They are divine. They're incredible. And you can find them at Koala First at www.koalafirst.com. Thanks.